it's Paisley. This year I'm going into kindergarten and I just got my back to school shopping list. So, who wants to go shopping? So here we go. Bye. That is so cute, don't you think, Mommy? Oh, sorry guys, didn't see you there. If you couldn't tell, we're at my favorite store. It's called Glamour Girls. They have clothes, they have everything. Stuffed animals, makeup, anything any girl could ever want. And we're here to get some clothes for back to school. First, we're gonna look through the dresses. I really wanna wear a dress on the first day of school, so I think I wanna get one. Mommy, how many can I get?
Only one, Paisley.
I can't decide. From pink sparkles to leopard, checker print. They're all so beautiful. Okay, I think this is the one I want to get.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Okay.
Okay, let's keep going. Okay, next we're over here looking at some shorts. Mommy, how many shorts can I get?
2.
Okay, I think I can make that work. Ooh, this purple one's really pretty. Oh, look at that. These are all so pretty, I don't know how I can choose. That one has sparkles. This is gonna be a hard decision. Okay, Mommy, I picked which shorts I want.
Okay, what are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get this Paris shirt and this blue turquoise one with flowers.
Cute.
Okay, let's keep going.
Okay, Paisley, I found the matching bottoms to your shirts.
Cute. Is it the pink skirt and the leggings?
Uh-huh.
Awesome.
Okay, Paisley, let's go check out.
Mommy, wait. They have really cute backpacks and lunchboxes here and I still need one. Can I please get one?
Okay.
Yay! There's so many choices. Princesses, Tinkerbell, an owl one, or just maybe a plain one? How am I gonna choose? Mommy, I think I wanna get this one. Look how many pockets it has.
Okay, let's go look in the backpacks now.
Wait, can I get that pencil case too that says glam on it?
All right.
Woohoo! I love shopping!
All right, Paisley, the backpacks are up there. Choose which one you want.
That purple one looks just like the one I got last year. And that blue one looks too small. That one's perfect.
All right, Paisley, here you go.
Thank you, Mommy. Mommy, can I please get a stuffed animal?
I guess.
Mommy, can I get a stuffed animal? Paisley? Josie?
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
I'm getting back to school clothes.
I'm getting back to school clothes.
Twinsies!
Want to get matching stuffed animals?
OMG, yes!
Matching! Okay, Josie, I gotta go to the next store. I'll see you at school on Monday, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye! Hey guys, we're here at Jamie's Shoes to get a new pair of shoes for me to go back to school. So let's take a look. Okay guys, I can't really decide which shoes I want to get, so I'm gonna try a couple pairs on. Or maybe more than a couple. No. No. Too big. Too red. Laces are too hard. No. Too much. Not enough. Too hot. Too shiny. No. Nah. Too plain. Too bright. No. No. Nah. I'm not going to a rodeo. Too old-timey. Too many ruffles. Too silver. I've looked at every pair of shoes and I don't like any of them. Ooh, I like those. They're perfect. Can I get them, Mommy?
Of course.
Yay! Okay, guys, we're putting my shoes in a shoebox so we can take them home. we go. Okay guys, I got my shoes and now we're gonna check out and go to the next store. Hey guys, we're here at the grocery store for... What are we here for, Mommy?
We're here to get food for your lunch.
We're here to get food for my lunch and maybe a couple of snacks. Let's go look around.
Alright, Paisley, let's go look at some drinks for your lunch.
Free samples, tortilla chips, guacamole. We might have to take a snack break. Mommy, can I take a sample? I promise, just one, okay?
Alright, just one.
Okay, right, just one.
Okay, Paisley, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, Paisley, did you eat all the samples?
Oh, yeah, I did.
Okay, Paisley, stop eating samples. Let's finish up. Okay, pick a drink for your lunch.
Soda.
No, you need water. Now, let's get two just in case. Look, Paisley, there's ready-made food.
You mean like for my lunchbox?
Yeah, what do you want to get?
Pizza, sandwiches, sushi, lasagna, bacon, and cheese.
Paisley, you can only get a couple things. Now pick some.
Okay, Pop-Tarts for breakfast, sandwiches for lunch, and how about some sushi for one of those days for my lunchbox?
Okay, that sounds fine.
Okay, let's get sushi. Mom, look, strawberry Pop-Tart. And how many sandwiches? 2?
Sure.
Okay, there we go.
Paisley, look at all those yummy fruits and vegetables. Okay, Paisley, you need a few healthy things for your lunch, so I want you to pick a few fruits and vegetables.
Do I have to?
Yes, you do.
Okay, fine. Grapes are my favorite. Could you get some of those?
Sure.
And I guess I don't hate pears. And I guess I need a vegetable now. How about some carrots?
That sounds good.
Ooh, and corn too. I like that in my lunchbox.
Sounds good.
Ooh, they have strawberries. Can I get some strawberries?
Sure.
Okay, is that enough?
Looks good. Alright, Paisley, you're probably gonna end up eating some sandwiches, so we're gonna need some bread.
Okay, they have a loaf right here. Should we get this?
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay. Can I pretty please get some treats for my lunchbox? I need dessert.
One treat.
Okay, how about this big tray of cupcakes?
That's a little too big.
Okay. Look, there's a muffin over there that I can't reach. Can I get that?
That looks good.
Okay. How about one more treat?
Okay.
Look at those jam-filled cookies. Can I get those too?
Alright.
I can't reach them. Will you get them?
Sure.
Okay, I think that's all the dessert I need.
Alright, Paisley, we got a lot of groceries, so it's time to check out.
Okay, let's go, Mommy. Okay, guys, I'm packed up to go home with everything I bought, and it's kind of heavy. I got lots of stuff to go back to school.
Thanks for watching this video. If you didn't know, last year we made the same video, Paisley Goes Back to School Shopping. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link up in the iCard. Go check it out.
If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up.
And subscribe! Comment down below which of these stores would be your favorite to shop at. The super cool clothing store, the awesome shoe store, or the green grocery store. Let us know down below. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye!